Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create 4K video editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to open up one of my projects here. Okay, I'm going to create 4K video editing using this video. And wait, let me show you the original video guys. Okay, and to create 4K video editing, actually we can use 4K effect on CapCut. You can you can go to the effect and then you're going to choose video effect and select 4K effect. Okay, and unfortunately the effects are not free, so I'm going to show you another way to create 4K video editing. But if you have CapCut Pro, you can use the 4K effect automatically. And if you don't have CapCut Pro, or if you haven't subscribed to CapCut, here is the tutorial. So guys, to create the 4K video editing, I'm going to use adjustment. I'm going to go to the adjust, and here we can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, brilliance, sharpen, clarity, HSL, and grabs, and so on. And then I'm going to go to the saturation. I'm going to increase the saturation, okay, around 20. And then for the brilliance, I'm just going to increase it a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to go to the sharpen. For the sharpen, you can make it more than 50. I'm going to make it 69. Okay, it depends on the quality of your video. And then for the clarity, I'm going to increase the clarity. Okay, and then I'm going to choose the contrast, and I'm going to increase the contrast. Okay, and this is for the result guys, and I'm going to compare it with my original video. Okay, this is for the original video, and this is the video I have applied the adjustment. Okay, it's better, right? Okay, and if you're still not satisfied with the result, you can keep adjusting. Especially you can adjust the saturation and also the sharpen effect. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.